Introducing the LEXT OLS5000 Confocal Microscope from Olympus. With advanced optics and software, getting reliable surface metrology measurements has never been easier. With high-resolution, precise imaging, the OLS5000 microscope can capture the shape of almost any surface. The 405nm violet laser and objectives designed specifically for surface metrology can measure nanometer-sized surface features and capture fine patterns. The system performs accurate XY scanning and has 4K scanning technology. That's 4 times faster than previous models. The microscope's scanning algorithm delivers improved data quality and speed to reduce the scan time and streamline your workflow, resulting in improved productivity. And the OLS5000 microscope incorporates an advanced algorithm that enables the system to create 3D maps with accurate data from low to high magnifications. It's also easy to use. The system automatically captures data, eliminating the need for difficult setting adjustments. Even users with minimal training can still get accurate results. A simple analysis function automatically detects variances in the measurements, helping users consistently obtain the same results. And the Smart Judge processing feature eliminates background noise without compromising data integrity. Unlike some measurement tools, such as a stylus, the OLS5000 microscope uses a non-destructive laser, enabling it to measure delicate materials without damaging them. For large objects, the extension frame accommodates samples up to 210 mm tall, while the ultra-long working distance objectives facilitate measurements of concavities as deep as 25 mm. All you have to do is place your sample on the stage. For more information, contact our friends at Olympus.
Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business.